Hey there! Today we have a pretty interesting problem to tackle. The problem we're facing involves a table that displays customer wait times per category, which updates every 5 minutes. Sometimes, there may be categories with no customers waiting, and in those cases, we still want to show the time, even if it's null. Now, here comes the solution to our problem. One clever way to address this is by using a SQL query that involves cross-joining all triages against our base table, and then aggregating the results. This query ensures that we get the appropriate values for each category and handles the cases where no customers are waiting in a category. The key here is to utilize functions like max and isNull in your query to ensure that only matching values are considered for computation. By strategically using these functions in conjunction with case statements, we can effectively fill out the null values in the results and present the information in a structured manner. After implementing this solution, we can generate a comprehensive output that showcases the last updated time, the standard triage category, the visual representation of wait times, the blended wait time in seconds, and a unique batch ID for reference. This output gives us a clear overview of the customer wait times per category, even in scenarios where no customers are waiting. So there you have it. With this SQL query in place, we can efficiently manage and display customer wait times per category, ensuring that all information is accurately represented, even when certain categories have no customers waiting. Well, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this solution, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Remember, waiting times may vary, but your support is always appreciated. Until next time, happy coding!